Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a certain local election where there are 700 registered voters, 170 voted in favor of candidate X and Y, 205 voted in favor of candidates Y and Z, 165 voted in favor of X and Z. There are 120 voted in favor of candidates X, Y and Z. If there are 315 candidate X diehards, 365 for candidate Y diehards, and 340 candidate Z diehards, how many voted for Y only? Now let's try to represent this given situation in a Venn diagram. So this circle, let us assume that this represents people who voted for candidate X, and it's given as 315. Total number of registered voters is 700. Now let this circle represent number of people who voted for candidate Y. So that is given as 365, and it's overlapping the first circle like this, 365, and this middle portion here is given as 170 voted in favor of X and Y. So this overlap portion is representing 170 voters. 170. Now there is this third circle which is representing candidate Z diehards. So it is given as 340 candidates. So Z and 340 candidates. This particular overlap, that is X and Z, number of people who voted for candidate X and Z is given as 165. This entire overlap is representing 165 people, and this entire overlap is representing 205 candidates because it is given here. So this is 165 and this is 205. It also question also says in next part there are 120 people who voted in favor of candidates X, Y and Z. So this little overlap here, overlap of all three circles, it is representing 120 people. Representing 120 people. Now in order to find number of people represented by only this much of the part of this overlap, we can write 170 minus 120 equal to 50 people voted for X and Y. Similarly, in order to find only this much part of the overlap, we write 205 minus 120 equal to 85 people voted for Y and Z, and 165 minus 120 equal to 45 people voted for X and Z. Now let's redraw this diagram with updated representation. So this is the diagram here. Let's see. We simply remove 170, 205 and 165 and replace them with the values that we have just calculated. Now, in order to find number of people who voted only for Y, we need to find essentially number of people represented by this area. That can be easily found out by subtracting 50 this part, 120 this part and 85, this part from this entire circle 365. So let's see, number of people who voted for Y candidate only are given by 365 minus 50 minus 120 minus 85. Now that can be written as 365 minus 50 plus 120 plus 85. That can be written as 365 minus 50 plus 120 is 170. 170 plus 85 is 255, and that gives us 110. So number of people who voted for Y only is 110. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option C.